If your Android phone keeps showing the call ended message immediately after dialing, don't worry. This is a very common issue in 2026, and in most cases, it can be fixed within a few minutes using the methods below. Step 1. Reset network settings. One of the most effective ways to fix sudden call drops or instant call disconnection is by resetting your network settings. Sometimes corrupted mobile network configurations can prevent your device from maintaining a stable connection with your carrier. To do this, open Settings. Tap General Management, select Reset. Tap Reset Mobile Network Settings. Press Reset Settings to confirm this process will refresh your mobile data, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth configurations without deleting your personal files or apps. Step 2. Clear the phone app cache. A corrupted or overloaded cache in the phone or dialer app can also cause calls to end instantly. Clearing the cache helps remove temporary glitches and improves app performance. Follow these steps. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Apps. Find and select the phone app. Tap Force Stop and confirm Go to Storage. Tap Clear Cache after clearing the cache. Reopen the phone app and test your calls again. Step 3. Check network and SIM card settings. Incorrect network mode selection or SIM card connection issues may also trigger the call ended problem. Here's what you should do. Open Settings, go to Connections. Tap Mobile Networks. Under Network Operators, make sure Select Automatically is enabled. Tap Network Mode, choose LTE par 3G, Bluetooth 2G, Auto Connect. If the problem still continues, remove your SIM card tray carefully and clean the SIM chip gently using a soft dry cloth. Dust or poor contact between the SIM and the phone can interrupt calls. Finally, reinsert the SIM card properly and restart your phone. After rebooting, your device should reconnect to the network correctly and your calls should work normally again without unexpected disconnections. If one method doesn't work, try the next solution carefully. Don't forget to restart your device after making changes for the best results. Thanks for watching and stay connected.